Hello, I'm going to take you through the Porsche Configurator today, located on Porsche.com/USA. So as you can see, we're already on the home page here at PorscheUSA.com. As you scroll down, you can see all the models listed that you'll be able to build in the configurator today, starting with 718, 911, Taycan, Panamera, Macan, and Cayenne. Let's get started on a 911 build today. In the next window, you'll be able to select your model. So in this case, because we selected 911s, we're going to be able to see all the 911 model options, ranging from 911 Carrera all the way up to the 911 Turbo models. Today we're going to pick the 911 Carrera 4S. Now that you've selected your 911 Carrera 4S, a new window will appear. Its name is Porsche Car Configurator. In this window, you'll be able to begin your build. To start, you'll see a list of options starting on the right with exterior color. As you scroll, you can see that there's many different options, including seat options, performance options, delivery experience options, and so on. If you have any questions about what an option is, you're able to select the dark circle with an eye in it. That is the Show More Information icon. This will give you an in-depth idea of what that option includes. So once you've selected your options in the configurator, you're going to want to scroll back up to the top and flip through the photo carousel. This will allow you to see an in-depth view of all the options you've picked for your vehicle and give you a visual idea of what your vehicle is going to look like. Once you've selected all the options that you want for your build, there are 4 icons at the top of this window. The first one is Load Configuration, the second one is Save, the third one is Print, the fourth one is Share. So in our case, we want to hit the Save icon. Once you hit the Save icon, a Save Configuration window will appear. This Save Configuration window includes a Porsche code. A Porsche code is unique to your build. Every code is unique to each build that it's associated with. So in our case, this code is PMB911T4. With this code, you're able to send it directly to a dealer here using the Send a Dealer button, or if you have a Porsche ID, you'll be able to save your build and the Porsche code associated with it. With your Porsche ID, you're able to save multiple different codes with multiple different builds. We look forward to seeing your build, and thank you.